Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there is no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the ice maker assembly in a Samsung refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. All we would need for this job is a long Phillips screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new ice maker assembly. The ice maker assembly is designed to produce the ice cubes on demand. If your ice maker stops making ice, it's time to check it and replace it if needed. Let's open the freezer door. Slightly lift up on the ice bucket and pull it out. Now, using the Phillips screwdriver, we're going to take out two Phillips screws here on the top that holds the ice maker. So next, pull out the ice maker to free it from the rear clips. Drop it down slowly, and then we can disconnect this plug by pressing the locking tab. And now we can remove the ice maker. This is the old ice maker assembly next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Bring the ice maker in, and let's plug the wire plug in on the top. Make sure it locks. Make sure that the wire harness is under the retainer. And next, the two brackets over there, one on each side, has to lock over those two pins. Push it in to slide over. Now we need to secure the ice maker to the ceiling with the two Phillips screws. Alright, sliding in the ice bin and over assembly, and close the door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other repair videos available on our site, on Facebook, and on YouTube.